Knub is afraid of the humidifier. Knub is afraid of so many things. Oh, hey Benji. You're not gonna go check it out now? You, who like to lick the condensation off of glasses everywhere, you're not gonna go check out the humidifier? It's too scary? I think that's almost got it figured. Nope. Almost. You're a big cat. Have you never seen one before now? You never seen a humidifier? Because it's winter now, so you're going to see a lot more of that. Because the air is so dry. Yeah? You can smell the water. He knows it's a source of water. That's it. I suppose you two will just have to respectfully sit aside then, eh? Works for me.